This is Project 100K, and over the past few weeks wala akong na-post or na-document na video or the progress ko day by day dahil nawala ako sa track ko. And the reason is sobrang bigat ng mga challenges ko over the past few days and nagpatalo ako. Pero one thing I realize is once na nandito ako sa kalagayan ko na still mahirap pa rin, magstay lang ako dito. And I don't want this kind of life. Like, sobrang hirap talaga. And I don't want to be with people na walang pangarap, still hindi nila alam yung pangarap nila, kung ano yung meron sila, potential nila, kasi yung pangarap ko mawawala rin. So this kind of video is just my realization. This is not a progress. Well, over the past few days, still may nagagawa akong track momentum, pero hindi ko siya document kasi procrastinate, challenges, distractions. Pero syempre hindi tayo susuko kasi the reason is since nakabalik na tayo, and I want to tell it to myself na I don't want to lose my momentum, or I don't want to lose my dreams. Kasi dala ko na lang yung pangarap ko, ayun na lang yung dinadala ko. Ayokong mawala sa sarili ko. Ayokong nakawin pa yon ng ibang tao sa akin. Ikikip ko yon, ilalak ko yon, and gagawin ko lahat ng paraan para makuha ko yon. So, that's all. Anyways, yun lang. See you on my success. Let's go.